Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. From the thumbnail, you guys can see that I'm gonna show you guys my recipe, or how I throw down some good ass Jamaican jerk chicken. So if you guys would like to see how this is done, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way in or out. So as you guys can see here, I'm already showing you the list of items that I'm going to be using. Don't worry guys, I won't have it all listed on the screen, but I'll definitely have it all listed down below. So check out that description box because everything will be down in the description, okay? I got you. So yeah, the last thing there that you guys are seeing are some pimento seed, and I have some Scotch bonnet pepper and some scallion. Now my chicken that you're seeing there in the sink is all washed. I washed it with some lime and vinegar, so we ain't gonna follow these people that say don't wash your chicken because it spreads all over. We won't even get into that mess. But yeah, my chicken is already washed and prepped, so I'm showing you guys all my other ingredients that I will be using. Now here I'm gonna go ahead and blend all my dry ingredients, which are my onions, my sweet pepper, my scallion, my thyme, and I'm gonna be placing 2 Scotch bonnet peppers inside of this blender along with a cup of water. I think I should have used half cup, but we let 1 cup slide. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything together. So guys, here I'm going to start pampering my chicken. I'm going to go ahead and start adding my seasonings to my chicken and mixing it all in, guys. As I say, I won't have these stuff that I'm showing you listed on the screen, but I'll definitely have it in the description down below, so don't worry. And if I forget to put it in there, somebody just let me know that, hey, you said you were going to do this and you never do it. But yeah, I'm adding my seasoning to my chicken. Towards the end of this clip, you guys will see me pour some of my mixture of my seasoning that I blended up with the water, which is my thyme, scallion, sweet potato, onions, garlic, all that good stuff. I'm going to add some of it to the chicken and massage it. I'm trying to make sure I get it under the skin because we want that flavor. And in jerk chicken, guys, you don't cut off the skin, you keep the skin. The skin just add like a something to it. You understand? Yeah, so we leave this skin panny. Yeah, now I'm gonna take my little green smoothie there and start rubbing everything together. So guys, to add a little color to our chicken, we don't want it to look bland as it is looking. We're going to add a little browning, and after we have mixed it all together, I'm going to put some foil paper on it and put it up for the next day. So we're going to let it marinate, well marinate and simmer. So this is the next day, and this is how the chicken is looking. Look good, stay good. So I've already preheated my grill, so now is there where the fun begins. We're gonna start adding our chicken to our grill, give it 10 to 15 minutes, then check on it and flip them over if necessary. So because we don't want the chicken to dry out, I have some red stripe beer here, and the seasoning that's left over from my chicken, I'm going to pour half of the red stripe in there, mix it around, and pour it into a little bottle that I have. After which I'm gonna pierce some holes in the cork, the cover of the thingy, so I can squirt it all over my chicken to keep it moist. Now I have my grill on low heat, so this is how my chicken is looking after half an hour. As I said in my previous clip, I flip them every 10 minutes, squirt them with some of that moist thingy just to keep them moist. So now I think after 45 minutes, I think my chicken is now ready. Everything soak, everything simmer. So yeah, my chicken is all ready. Now I'm just gonna show you guys how I prepare my corn to just as a side dish to eat with my jerk chicken. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Just preparing some corn to eat with the jerk chicken. Nothing too fancy. Corn, butter, salt, black pepper, and that's it. And wrap it in foil paper, put it on the grill. That's all. And guys, look at how moist and delicious my chicken is. I really suggest that you guys try this recipe and let me know how it works out for you, because it did taste good. It did taste real good. So guys, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.